But with this, let's also get you some of the Chartbuster ideas then from both of our experts. And let's go to Naresh as well as Kunal Bothra, who are here with us. And Naresh, you go first. Tell us which is the stock that you are eyeing at this point in time.
So that's a chart for GMR airports. The stock has been making a base around that 70 mark, has corrected 30% plus from the top. 70 was the low back in December of last year as well as in June. Out here, the bottoms are done around that 70 mark, and now it could be a breakout move above 75. So an accumulated 70 to 74 with the stop loss at 70 and a target price of 85 to 90.
Let's watch out for GMR airports. But Naresh, which are your other stock ideas?
So first would be a buy on Industars that has held on to the recent lows and has been showing relative strength. Stop loss at 330, target price of 360. Second is a buy on Delivery, which has fallen a lot and has been showing oversold signs, and reversal in the last two sessions could be a trade for the next couple of sessions. Stop loss at 255, target price of 280.
All right, so two buy calls coming in from Naresh. Let's watch out for those. But let's also get you the Chartbuster idea from Kunal Bothra as well. And Kunal, which is the stock that is making it to your list today?
It's SBI cards, and Srishti, I think it's an excellent chart because we rarely see such kind of a coherent chart pattern for stock like SBI cards. Now, interestingly, from the 2025 lows, start of this year itself on a YTD basis, the stock actually started off at a multi-week, multi-month low, just around that 650 odd mark for SBI cards. Post that, look at the consistency of chart pattern. It's been making a pattern of higher highs and higher lows. Every time the stock moves up higher, the base shifts up on the higher side for the stock with respect to the previous swing lows for the stock price, and that provides a fresh base for the stock to try and move up on the upside. In the previous attempts when the stock has moved up higher after forming a base, the margin of movement for the stock from the base is approximately almost 7 to 8% on the very short term, which with momentum coming back should I think rise up to almost 10%, which means that the previous swing lows for SBI cards is around the 820 odd mark, and from those levels we could be expecting the stock to move up at least by a margin of 8 to 10%, which means that the stock can eye a fresh multi-week, multi-month high about those 850 plus mark, and looking at a target potential range around the 880 to 900 zone.
Really interesting chart coming in for SBI cards, and of late it has been on the brokerage radar as well. So let's watch out for that. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.